Welcome to Saucy Cat. My name is Connor, and coming up very soon is the 4th of July. So many people are going to be outside, enjoying the nice weather and cooking up all sorts of amazing things on the grill. So why not join them with your own special vegan treat, black bean burgers. Let's dive in. We'll start off with the most important part of the bean burger, the beans. Take out a can of black beans and drain it out completely. I let mine sit over the sink for a couple of minutes. The more liquid that's left in there, the less likely our patties will stay together. Now take out a food processor and add in 1 carrot, half an onion, and a yellow bell pepper. Spice it up with some salt, pepper, and minced garlic. Give that a good blend until everything is smooth, then add in your beans. Give it a couple extra pulses so the beans get chopped but not completely blended. Now to give the burger a little substance along with a nice health bonus, we're going to add in some cooked quinoa. Add the quinoa and our blended beans into a bowl and give it all a good mix. It's still a little too soft to make a patty right now, but some Panko breadcrumbs will fix that. Mix until everything is thoroughly combined and get out some lined baking sheets. It's patty time. Grab about a 1/3 cup of the mix and form it into a ball. Now place it on your baking sheet and gently press it down into a circle about a 1/2 inch thick. There's a little bit of an art to it, but after a few you'll be cruising through these. With a batch this size, you can usually get anywhere between 10 to 12 burgers. With our patties formed, throw them into the fridge for 1 hour. Chilling the burgers will help them stiffen up. Once chilled, toss the patties into a 350-degree oven and bake for 20 minutes. Then flip them over and bake for another 20 minutes. This baking process is less about cooking the burgers and more about strengthening them for future cooking. The patties are now ready for whatever you desire. You can store them in the fridge or freezer for when you're hungry, or they're perfect to top a grill at your local barbecue. That being said, I'm hungry now, and since I don't actually have a grill, I'm cooking them on my stovetop. A little vegan butter or oil, a couple of flips on the heat, and it's time to make a burger. Choose your favorite toppings. For me, that's fresh tomato and onion, a good pile of lettuce, and of course ketchup. This is looking amazing, so let's plate this dish. Look at all of these layers of deliciousness. Growing up, I ate burgers all the time, and this burger here does not miss a beat. Well, that is good for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. Let me know if there's any recipes you'd like us to try in the comments down below. Like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
Kiwi, look at that butt. Get that butt out of my face. Kiwi, what you doing with your butt? Your thick kiwi butt. Kiwi booty. Thick kiwi booty butt. Fruit butt. Yeah, that butt.